Welcome to Great Choice.
Top 3 Best 4K Camcorder Video Camera in 2025.
Top 1.
Panasonic HCX1000 4K Ultra HD 60p/50p Professional Camcorder, 20x Optical Zoom Black. High-res 4K recording in smooth 60p/50p motion even for fast movements, and small enough for mobility. High bitrate recording for both 4K and Full HD to capture the most important moments with true-to-life realism. Great functions for professional needs like a Dicomer f/1.8 lens/triple manual ring/backup recording/ND filter. Wi-Fi standard IEEE 802.11b/G/N, image stabilizer, C4K/4K, power O.I.S/Full HD or lower, 5-axis hybrid O.I.S plus with active mode.
Top 2.
Sony PXWZ150 4K XDCAM Camcorder. World's first 1.0-inch type stacked XMR imaging sensor, flexible 4K and Full HD recordings, XAVC long GOP at 100 Mbps, HFR 120 fps super slow motion, continuous, clear image zoom, 24x for HD, 18x for 4K. Wi-Fi/NFC networking capabilities for high mobility, 3.5-inch type 1550K LCD panel for high-resolution monitoring, compact and lightweight body, dual media slots for recording flexibility. Built-in ND filter, wide choice of connections, 3G SDI, HDMI, multi/micro USB, professional audio XLR terminals, remote and composite, RCA, multi-interface, MI, shoe to connect and control Sony's wireless mic systems or external light, sold separately.
Top 3.
Sony PXWZ190V Handheld/Shoulder Camcorder Cmos 4K Ultra HD, W128329796, Camcorder Cmos 4K Ultra HD Black. Camcorder Cmos 4K Ultra HD Black.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.